Good morning.
Okay, guys, come back.
Say good morning.
I have to subscribe because I'm vlogging.
Do you guys miss Scarlett? Anyway, this is the next day now. Vingal and I landed yesterday here in Cebu, and I did not vlog because I was pretty tired. The flight was at 9 in the morning, so we had to leave in their town at 5 a.m. to catch a van and then go to the airport. Anyway, so yeah, I'm back here in the house. Scarlett is here. I miss you. So Scarlett and I will be going to the city today because it's December 1. Oh my gosh, it's Christmas. You want to say Merry Christmas to them? Say Merry Christmas.
Christmas.
So as you know, the house doesn't have any Christmas spirit, so we are going to shop for some Christmas decor. Who's that?
Mama.
Mama is there. Hi, Brownie. Look, Brownie's there. Good morning, Brownie. Good morning. Right, guys, it's 7 a.m. It is really early, but we are ready. Hi.
Yes.
Let's go. Let's go. Okay, I'm gonna drive to the city because the car is so filthy, right? You guys remember, like last time, I was not able to actually do a car wash because we had to leave and go to Vingal's. Right. Okay, sit down in your chair. Okay, let's go. Oh, my bag. Kalimutan mo. Ay. Okay, you have to sit down, Pangga.
Seatbelt here.
Seatbelt also. Mama will do your seatbelt.
Ma, I have seatbelt.
Okay, so first agenda in the city is to wash the car. Like, I don't even want to drive this car. That's how filthy it is.
Si Mama.
Here, Mama will be here. You want Mama to sit beside you?
Yes.
Okay, it's up to you. Maybe we have some friends that we could take to the city as well. They're going to work, and then we're gonna give them a free lift. Okay?
Yes.
All right, let's go.
Your car.
What?
Very dirty.
The car is very dirty?
Yes.
Yeah, that's right. That's why we're here. Alright, guys, we made it to the city, and we are on
Yes, we have the car to wash. And I have to subscribe it because I'm vlogging.
You have a subscriber because you're vlogging?
Yes.
Okay. Alright. We are on queue for a speedy car wash. It's like an automatic thing. Look, we are 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth on queue. Right, ta-da! Are you scared? Are you scared? No, it's fine. You can see it from here, look. Finally, Ruby will be clean and we can go to the mall, right?
Whoa. Wow. Snow. Look the back, sister.
It's at the back, yeah. It's there. Look.
Snow.
Do you like it?
Yes.
Okay. Alright guys, so we are in the play area now here in Ayala, Cebu. I'm giving Scarlett 1 hour to play here and then we're gonna go shopping. We're actually gonna go to the beach, so I'm getting her goggles and swimwear as well. I don't know where she is. I think she went to the slide.
Bye.
Can you remove your mask? Okay, you play now. Scarlett is done with a 1 hour of playing. Are you happy?
Yes.
Yeah? So are you hungry now?
Yes.
Okay. you turn around in the back?
Yes.
Let me see.
Tita, what about the goggles?
Okay, we're gonna look for the goggles. You ready to go swimming? We are now here in the 6th floor of Metro Ayala. We are looking for some Christmas decor, some Christmas tree. Yes? You like this one?
Yes.
That's a wreath.
Yes.
You want that one? Wait, I'm gonna look for something like this maybe. I'm not sure. Actually, Bingle shared with me something that I can do in the house. I don't really want a big Christmas tree because it's like so hard once Christmas is done. I don't have any storage to put it. So I just want something really simple. So let's see. Look. They're actually on 50% sale for Christmas decors. Hello, so we are finally back home. It's already 3 p.m. My goodness, it took me an hour to actually drive from the city. Going here in the countryside, I had to do a U-turn. We were supposed to arrive here like maybe 2:45-ish or 2:30, and the road over there was really bad, and I was following one truck and he was not able to make it, and I was like, yeah, if he was not able to make it, I'm not gonna be able to make it too. So I had to U-turn, go all the way over there, and we're finally back home. I'm gonna do a quick haul for you guys as well. What are the stuff that we got? I was not able to actually get groceries, unfortunately, so we still don't have food in the fridge, but that's okay. I asked my sister to just like get us some grocery, like little grocery that we could consume for tonight, and maybe I'm gonna go to the city again tomorrow. Okay, so what did we get? More donuts. Wow! And then this is actually the main agenda why we had to go to the city. So we have this really cute Christmas tree.
Small.
Oh my goodness, look how small that is.
Yes.
Actually, this one is really good because even if it's not Christmas anymore, you could still use this as a decor because look, it has something like this here. And it's green. I have here Christmas balls, guys.
Wow.
And then another one.
Wow.
And then we have Christmas lights.
Wow.
Okay, we're gonna assemble everything later once Mama will be here, okay? And Nana. And then we have ribbon right here. I'm not sure.
The ribbon?
The ribbon will be used to put here around the Christmas tree. I don't know how to like decorate this tree yet, but I'll try to find something online. But these are the only like ornaments that I got. I don't want it to be too much because it's pretty small. Went to the kids section because we do have a family getaway which is happening this weekend. I'm so excited for it. So we got Scarlett some stuff. Are you excited? Oh my gosh, Scarlett went wild when we were in Metro. She was like, Tita, I want this. Tita, I want that. Tita, I want this. Oh my gosh, you want everything. Why do you want everything, Pangga? Tita has small budget for you.
Guys, this is goggles. It is good.
Okay, and then, what's this?
I know.
You don't know? Life jacket.
Life jacket.
Wow.
And shoes in the beach.
And what's the color?
Pink in a unicorn.
Unicorn. Oh yeah, it's unicorn. And then I also decided to get her some pajamas or some uran. So we have this. Uran, yes. Those are the only stuff that I got in Metro, guys. I do have like a long list of what are the things that I need to get, but because I have Scarlett with me and I was like vlogging and I'm holding Scarlett all the time, it's so hard for me to,
What is it?
you know, oh yeah, like it's so hard for me to really roam around and look for something.
Dito sana ko. Dito sana ko. Merry Christmas. Now wish you a Merry Christmas. Happy New Year.
Yeah, ang jingle bell na sad.
Jingle bell, jingle all the way. Young Miss Claus and Miss Nova. Hey!
Hello everyone, my sister is here. So finally we have some
Pick
food.
up.
Okay, we have the spirit of Christmas now. Look at this. We have Christmas tree. Papa is here. Say hi.
Hi.
Look, the Christmas lights. I mean, hi.
I'm here. The Christmas tree.
It's not a Christmas tree. Christmas lights.
Christmas light. I'm here. The Christmas light.
Is it nice?
Yes.
Okay. So now, before we decorate the smallest Christmas tree ever, we are going to cook. Okay, I'm going to cook chicken adobo. Dapat yung isa diri pa. Over here, we have another lights. Pangga, you ask tatay as well to open this one. Okay? Wow. Oh, it's so nice. I like this light, the warm light color. I think it would look really nice with our Christmas tree right here.
It's just small.
What?
It's just small.
You don't like the Christmas tree?
No, small.
You want a big one?
Yes.
I just finished cooking.
I just finished to eat in breakfast.
What are you talking about?
You eating breakfast and you wish it.
It's not breakfast anymore. It's dinner.
It's dinner.
Okay, this is
It's
our
breakfast.
dinner. Chicken adobo. Ta-da!
Chicken
and rice.
double in the Christmas tree.
Yes. So after this, we are going to decorate the
It's
smallest. The
Happy
smallest.
New Year.
Hoy!
I got like the small Christmas tree everything because the bull is big.
Because small is big. What are you talking about? Oh my goodness!
It's not a big the bull.
You really don't like the Christmas tree because it's very small?
Yes.
Oh, that's okay. Alright, let's eat. Bon appetit. Can you say bon appetit?
Put that to tea, guys.
Bon appetit. We just finished dinner and here we are.
Guys, come back and here. Let's go in the beach and we can go
Hi.
buntag sayo.
Nabuntag sa'yo?
Yeah.
Okay, there you go.
Mama, wala pa kuman.
Okay, can you get the balls over there?
Yes.
The balls, please. Ta-da! Oh.
Oh, that's rainbow.
Ta-da!
Hey.
actually need more Christmas balls. And then for this ribbon, we don't know how to make a ribbon. So I did just like twirl it around the tree. I think it looks fine. It's very simple, minimalist. So, ta-da! Now we have Christmas lights inside. And we are going to turn it on. In 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! Wow! Look! Look at the Christmas tree here. Is it nice, Pangga? It's nice now. Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas, Happy New Year!